Hey everyone, my name is Suraj. As we have seen that in our last video, we have just connected our CRM with our contact form, and now after that, once our lead is received inside our CRM, we will gonna set up an automated email to the customer email, and we are also setting up the WhatsApp. So right now we are just creating the video for the email only. So once our lead is comes to the CRM, an automated email will be sent to the customer. And one more thing, one notification also sent to the owner who will be the taking care of the lead. That will be the salesperson, marketing person, or anyone in the team. So let's do that thing. So I'll show you the full tutorial how we have to do inside Zoho CRM. Let's follow every step and you will do that. Okay, so we are inside our CRM and now we have to go to inside setup. Inside setup you can see that there is general section, security control, channels, customization and automation. Inside automation we have to open workflow rules and we can create new rule by clicking on this create rule button. We already have created a welcome email rule, so we won't create a new one. Here we can show this rule will be executed when a lead is created, so it will be triggered on creation of the lead, and we have applied a condition here, that is email is not empty. So suppose email is not present in that field, so it won't trigger. And we also have applied some instant action. Once this workflow is triggered, these instant action will be happen. The first one is email notification, second one is task creation. So email notification will be look like this, and we will gonna send the email to the email field. And we also have set up a welcome template. You can see that template is look like this. We can create any custom template by using HTML CSS, and we also have a scope to create template by drag and drop. Okay, and you can see that we also have created the task. So here's the subject of task, and we have set up the due date, and also the task owner will be the lead owner, and we have set up the priority to high, and we will enable the notify assignee. So a notification email will send to the owner. And now we will saving it, and it's time to test the lead. So we can also use this toggle to enable or disable the workflow. Okay, so this is lead already created. We will clone this, so it will act like a new lead. So I'm gonna cloning it. Okay, so there is only few data are there, so that is the required data, and I won't fill other data here. We just need this data only, and here's the email field. And now I'll save it. Okay, so you can see that email is triggered, and open activity has one action, and you can see also inside timeline email sent to surajverma.zoho@gmail.com by this workflow name. You can see the email here, and this email is look like this, and there is also included some dynamic field, and we can check the task. So here's the task, and inside task we have attached our lead, so we can directly access to our lead from here. Okay, so this one is very basic automation in CRM. So someone comes to your website and they will just fill out your form. So after filling the registration form, they will get an instant email by this automation. So that will be in email, the data will be related to your service, product, or anything else. We can create more automation within CRM. So thank you for watching my video. I'll get back to you with new video.